Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok Ad Manager on phone. And in this video, I will show you on how to add new debit or credit card to your TikTok Ad Manager. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Have you opened up your TikTok app? Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and open up any post on your TikTok account. So I'm going to use this particular post right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on More Insights. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Customize. And go ahead and click on Mine. Go ahead and click on Payments. Go ahead and click on Manage. And go ahead and click on Credit or Debit Card. Then go ahead and fill in your card right here. Your card number, expire month and year, CCV 3 digits at the back of the card holder name right here. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on Confirm. And a message will be sent to you for unauthorization of a false transaction fee, which can equivalent to be about one USD. And the money is just to test run your card if the card is going to eventually work for your ad payment on your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this about how to run ads on TikTok using just your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.